this is Kate.
Shelby.
And Caroline. And we're gonna do a moss where we microwave soap. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
How long should I put it in for?
45 seconds.
Okay. Caroline.
I wanna see it explode.
Reflection.
I wanna see it explode. It's not gonna work because it's not Ivy soap.
Does it have to be Ivory soap?
I don't know. How long are we? No, thanks for burning. That's gonna be like, whoa, we're all gonna scream.
Soap's for dinner, guys.
What's for dinner, Mom? Soap.
It makes our house
Wow,
smell.
look at it. It is just.
Not.
Look at.
Oh my God! It's like melting. What?
It's done. You don't need to open up the window. Come on, you guys, let's smoke one.